Lesson 9. Decimal fractions. Dear children, you all know what is meant by fractions. Now we are going to see what is meant by decimal fractions. A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. For example, 6 upon 10, 77 upon 100. These fractions are written in the numerator and denominator form. But it is convenient to write these fractions in some other way. To use this method, let's remember our usual method of writing numbers. In this method, we make new places for tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. Now let's think in opposite direction. If we divide 100 into 10 equal parts, each part is 1/10. The tens place is to the right of the 100. 1/10 is divided into 10 parts, each part is 1 unit. The units place is to the right of the tens place. Similarly, if 1 unit is divided into 10 equal parts, each part becomes 1 upon 10 and for this a place is made to the right of the units place. 1 upon 10 means 1/10 and this place is called the 10th place or the first decimal place. The decimal place is created for writing a fraction. When writing numbers, a dot is written after the last digit of the whole part of the number to indicate the end of that part, and this symbol is called a decimal point. For example, 20 and 3 upon 10 is written as 20.3. Now write the following mixed fractions in decimal form and read them aloud. 3 and 9 upon 10 is equal to 3.9. 5 and 3 upon 10 is equal to 5.3. 8 upon 10 is equal to 0.8. Now hundreds. If 1 upon 10 is divided into 10 equal parts, each part becomes 1 upon 100 or 1/100th, and therefore 1/10 is equal to 10/100th or 0.1 is equal to 0.10. Therefore, it is possible to create a hundreds place next to the tens place. Now write the following mixed fractions in decimal form and read them aloud. 9 and 1 upon 10 is equal to 9.1. 9 and 1 upon 100 is equal to 9.01. 4 and 53 upon 100 is equal to 4.53. 78 upon 100 is equal to 0.78. 5 upon 100 is equal to 0.05. Then we'll proceed to place value of the digits in decimal fractions. We can determine the place values of the digits in decimal fractions in the same way that we determine the place values of digits in whole numbers. For that, we have to make a chart like this. Now read the decimal fraction and write down the place value of each digit. 6.13. We'll put the digits in the given chart. In the hundreds place, 3 into 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.03. In the tens place, 1 into 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1. In the units place, the digit is 6, so the place value is 6. Next is 48 0.84. We'll put the digits in this given chart and start from hundreds. The digit in the hundreds place is 4. So place value 4 into 1 upon 100 is 0.04. In the tens place the digit is 8. So 8 into 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.8 is the place value. In the units place the digit is 8. So place value is 8. In the tens place the digit is 4. So the place value 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Next is 0.59. We'll put the digits in the chart. In the hundreds place the digit is 9. So place value 9 into 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.09. The digit in the tens place is 5. So place value 5 into 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.5. In the units place the digit is 0. So place value 0. Now the use of decimal fractions. First we'll study this table. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee is equal to 0.01 rupee. 50 paise is equal to 50 upon 100 rupee, that is equal to 0.50 rupee. 75 paise is equal to 75 upon 100 rupee is equal to 0.75 rupee. That means 1 rupee is 100 paise. 5 rupees is 500 paise. 0.50 rupee is equal to 0.5 rupee is equal to 50 paise. 0.07 rupee is equal to 7 paise. 4.5 rupees is equal to 4 rupees 50 paise. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, that is equal to 0.01 meter. 25 centimeter is equal to 25 upon 100 meter is equal to 0.25 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. 0.3 meter is 30 centimeter. And 0.40 meter is 40 centimeter. Now tell how many rupees and how many paise. R 58.43. 58 rupees 43 paise. R 2.30. 2 rupees 30 paise. R 2.3. 2 rupees 30 paise. Then write how many rupees in decimal form. 15 rupees 70 paise. R 15.7. 8 rupees 5 paise. R 8.05. 720 paise. R 7.20. Then write how many meters and how many centimeters. 9.30 m is equal to 9 meter 30 centimeter. 0.3 m is equal to 30 centimeter. 0.09 m is equal to 9 centimeter. Then write how many meters in decimal form. 50 m 40 centimeter. 50.40 m. 50 m 4 centimeter. 50.04 m. 2 centimeter. 0.02 m. Then write how many centimeters and how many millimeters. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So 6.9 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter 9 millimeter. 0.8 centimeter is equal to 8 millimeters. Then write how many centimeters in decimal form. 144 millimeters is equal to 14.4 centimeters. Next we'll see about writing half, quarter, 3/4 and 1 and a quarter in decimal form. A quarter is equal to 1/4 is equal to 0.25. 3/4 is equal to 3/4 is equal to 0.75. 1 and a quarter is equal to 1 and 1/4 is equal to 1.25. 1 and a half is equal to 1 and 1/2 is equal to 1.50 is equal to 1.5. 1 and 3/4 is equal to 1 and 3/4 is equal to 1.75. 17 and a half is equal to 17 and 1/2 is equal to 17.50 is equal to 17.5. Now write the following fractions as decimal fractions. 2 and a quarter is equal to 2.25. 10 and a half 10.50. 14 and 3/4 14.75. Now we'll proceed to adding decimal fractions. We can add in the same way as we add whole numbers. Remember, while writing down an addition problem and the total, the decimal point should always be written one below the other. Remember, 10 tenths is equal to 1 unit, 10 hundredths is equal to 1 tenth. Now make addition. 23.4 plus 87.9. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 is written here. 1 is carried over to the units place. Decimal point is written below the other decimal points. In the units place, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 is written, 1 is carried over to tens place. Here 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. So the addition is 111.3. Next addition, 41.03 plus 9.98. We'll start from the hundreds place. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 is written, 1 is carried over to the tens place. Here 1 plus 9, 10. So 0 is written, 1 is carried over to units place. Decimal point is written here. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 1 is written, 1 is carried over to tens place. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. So the addition is 51.01. Then subtraction of decimal fractions. First, subtract 206.35 minus 168.22. First we'll make the columns. Hundreds, tens, units, tens and hundreds. We'll start from the hundreds place. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Decimal point is written. In the units place, 8 units cannot be subtracted from 6, so we'll make 110 loose. But in the tens place there is 0, so we'll make 100 loose. So in the 100 place now it is 1. In the tens place it is 10 and then 9, and in the units place it is 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. In the tens place 9 minus 6 is 3. In the hundreds place 1 minus 1 is 0. So the subtraction is 38.13. Next, 63.4 minus 31.8. 8 tens cannot be subtracted from 4 tens, so 1 unit is borrowed from 3 units. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. In the units place 2 minus 1 is 1. In the 10th place 6 minus 3 is 3. So the subtraction 31.6.